finding the right folding garden cart can make hauling tools, plants, soil, groceries, and outdoor gear much easier. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best folding garden carts of 2026, focusing on durability, load capacity, maneuverability, portability, and overall convenience. Whether you need a compact cart for everyday gardening or a heavy-duty wagon for larger outdoor jobs, these picks offer practical options for different needs and budgets.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Folding wagon cart with wheels. The Blamoba folding wagon cart is a practical and versatile utility wagon designed for outdoor and everyday tasks. With a sturdy carbon steel frame and durable 300D Oxford fabric, it can support up to 220 pounds while remaining relatively lightweight at just 11.24 pounds. Its 360 degrees all-terrain wheels and adjustable telescopic handle provide smooth maneuverability, while the collapsible design makes it easy to store in a car trunk or home. With applications ranging from camping and beach trips to gardening, picnics, and grocery shopping, this wagon is a convenient option for anyone who needs portable, heavy-duty hauling capacity. Number 2. Collapsible Wagon 220 pounds. The Pasamic Collapsible Wagon is a lightweight yet heavy-duty utility cart designed for groceries, beach trips, camping, sports, and everyday hauling. Its premium alloy steel frame supports up to 220 pounds, while the tear-resistant, waterproof 600D Oxford fabric provides durability and easy maintenance. Weighing just 10.5 pounds, the wagon folds down compactly for convenient storage and transport, while its 100-liter capacity provides plenty of room for supplies. The adjustable handle and two 360 degrees rotating front wheels help make maneuvering easier across pavement, grass, sand, and other surfaces, and the 2 built-in mesh cup holders add extra convenience for outdoor activities. Number 3. Originsure 110L Portable Collapsible Wagon Cart. The Originsure 110L Portable Collapsible Wagon Cart is a lightweight yet heavy-duty option built for groceries, camping, shopping, sports, travel, and outdoor activities. Weighing only 11 pounds, it features a sturdy alloy steel frame with a claimed 360-pound static load capacity and 220-pound dynamic load capacity. The double-layer 600D Oxford fabric is removable for easier cleaning, while 4 all-terrain wheels, including 2 360-degree swivel front wheels, help provide smooth maneuverability across different surfaces. Its adjustable handle, 2 mesh cup holders, and quick folding design add everyday convenience, while the compact folded size makes it easy to store in a car trunk or home. Number 4. ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart. The ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart is a sturdy and versatile utility wagon designed for grocery shopping, gardening, camping, sports, and other everyday hauling tasks. Weighing just 12 pounds, it features a heavy-duty 1.2 mm steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, with a listed weight capacity of up to 250 pounds. Its 120-liter storage area provides plenty of room for supplies, while the 360 degrees rotating front wheels and ergonomic extendable handle make maneuvering easier, even when loaded. The detachable wheels simplify cleaning and maintenance, and the wagon folds down to a compact 22 by 9.8 by 7.5 inches, making it convenient to store in a car or at home. Number 5. Originsure 300L Collapsible Beach Wagon Cart. The Originsure 300L Collapsible Beach Wagon Cart is a supersized heavy-duty wagon designed for transporting large loads during beach trips, camping, shopping, sports, and travel. It offers a massive 300-liter capacity and features a strong all-metal frame with double-layer 600D Oxford fabric. The wagon has a claimed 560-pound static load capacity and 440-pound dynamic load capacity, making it suitable for carrying substantial gear. Its oversized 7x 4-inch all-terrain wheels provide smoother movement across sand, mud, and other challenging surfaces, while the 2 360 degrees front wheels include brakes for added control. Despite its large capacity, The wagon folds into a more compact size for storage and includes a side pocket, 2 mesh cup holders, storage cover, and adjustable handle for added convenience.